Kweku Levy was say watching live from New Leaders Hotel Tafo. Yakubu Abdul say Kaka watching you from Bepase. Teddy Fifi Orchard was say please I'm watching you live from Kumasi. Thanks for watching. Messages in the Hamza Seshi Buako was say in fact camera is nice goalkeeper. Camera is nice goalkeeper mfancheme. Yeah, the guy na anti penalty shootout. Peterson wano ana eda screen so no enye easy kura nana ya se Kotoko bekume ebeku so ampa Eugene globally was say Kotoko all the way. The goals of Asante man are watching some Krobia shouldn't disappoint. Kaizer fresh sapon the message no now here come say Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 11:30. Yeah, the Kings Power Sports 1 at the bro. Kings Power Sports 1. Yeah, the bro from Monday to Friday 9 o'clock a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And you know what channel Sunday amaye. Oba no follow so what you say. Who Facebook or follow yen. Or a YouTuber subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Abranti ayefeno Henry Kwame Ansu wano ana ebe take penalty Eliama Kumase Asante Kotoko Bakumienu Ansu waposo atanano Eliama Kumase Asante Kotoko Henry Kwame Ansu wabiano Peter say adie na so bona to atinem Sante Achibad Akanguba was say you doing a great job, thanks for watching. Banfo Chelsea Godwin Ofosu Redeematic was it Ose Fabu. Now Kaizer Chiefs ena ebo baku mienu miensa eyego Sorino wono so aposo atana no adiama Kaizer Chiefs. Wow. Nana yao Sahin was say I'm watching you live from Ontario. Mepsro the twaso member Canada. Rip to dear. Okay. Rest in peace to Daddy Lumba. Okay. Now you hear Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Abrantia Yefeno Albert Amoa to take the second penalty for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Lord Albert Amoa, nice penalty from Albert Amoa. Ace Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. But don't forget, Kaizer Chiefs is here to take their second penalty. Oferi Martin Ajimasi Kotoko. Nanaba Derek was watching live from Canada. And Anyagri Paul was I'm Paul watching you live from UAE. Now Kaizer Chiefs to take their second penalty. Nice save from Mohamed Kamara. Duba has missed his penalty, and it's Kotoko 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Oba na wa follow yen. Now Lord Amwa, it's Albert Amwa who took the second penalty. Now it's Lord Amwa taking the third penalty. Oh, Lord Amwa missed his penalty. Still Asante Kotoko 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Kaizer Chiefs yet to take their third penalty. Kaizer Chiefs taking their third penalty. Can this be the equalizer? What a nice Pananka penalty from Shabalala. Nice Panenka penalty from Shabalala. Is Asante Kotoko 2, Kaizer Chiefs 2. Kamara ebunukum hwe fam ho, we de hwe fam ho. No ebunukum wo ho no. Omani aje. Now Patrick Asiedu up against Peterson. Kotoko taking their fourth penalty. Patrick Asiedu, can he make it 3 for Asante Kotoko? Oh, save. Patrick Asiedu made his penalty. Now Kaizer Chiefs one more and elbow, one more fourth penalty. Nanka Patrick Asiedu so there we set pieces Edma Asante Kotoko mostly ono na eta ebomamo. Samuel Labi, as I'm watching you from Accra. Ike Diro, I say acrobatics goalkeeper. Chris Kofi Star Times. Was say meba Makati wano ana edabo Kaizer Chiefs one more fourth penalty. Oh, nice save from Mohamed Kamara, and it's still Asante Kotoko 2, Kaizer Chiefs 2. Chris Kofi Star Time say I'm a grada from Nsawam prison. Greetings to my church members. Okay, church members, no. Omoje. Abozo Yakubu Abdul Hamidu, I say, tell Kotoko to come home. DL is dead. Hey, I say, now Samba Oner, wano ana bababo. Samba Oner, Alexander K. Mason, or I'm watching you from New York City. Samba Oner. Wano ene chira bonachi baku mienu miensa Samba one. Oh, wabo afanche, but Mara Kamara complain say goalkeeper no pie free the line so na referee no, am I confused now? Wow. James Cantona was he drove the fire Jovadi bra. Daniel O method. Ove Jazzy Blaze watching. Kwame Poku and Kamara. Nana Kisi say I'm watching you live from Dansuman. Keep on the PA there. Enti say Kaizer Chiefs Esha na just mafa 2025 Toyota Cup. Osman Jovadi bra masa bra baku miensa. Oh, nice save from Mohamed Kamara. Kaya uro di akwano. Nice save from Mohamed Kamara. Jovadi
Ayat. It'd be a nice comment. It'd be a nice penalty shootout. And I hear South Africa. You see, one thing about Asante Kotoko team now I'm missing is most of them know penalty kicks in our form. And let me give you to Kamara. And yet now, Nanka Minim so a very good penalty stopper. And I say in terms of cheap penalty, and yet Nanka Minim.
Johnson Ebanu.
Yeah. Imadiki aka Kotoko no bono. And ye near that team. Eti oke kan ho. Then some so bo amon na ye so betim dia to atenama.
Johnson or the Bono Atum. Now, Kaizer Chiefs almost started the Asante Kotoko. Out to me, Aji Anono. Now, the Capito himself, Miguel. It's all over. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Wamo Aji 2025 Toyota Cup. Great work from Mohamed Kamara. What bird you are, papa. Okay. Boafo say the coach should change Johnson. I know the buy. Enti se say Kotoko atimi aje e de asi omna so obetimi afre na afeye di nkomo abra game no